Back in the old CJ5 turning into CJ6 project, just finishing up the bump stops. It's got the bump stops in from, I got these in from the Jeepster van. They got the bump stops and I got the, where's the kid at? Oh yeah. Got these in. This should be the hardware for the bump stop. Go toss these in real quick. Back here. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Talk to me. Let's see here. What size is that? Is that a 1/2 inch? It's 1/2 inch. Now I need a wrench on the other side. There, driver's side done. Hit up the passenger side now. Got the washer. Man, nothing on this Jeep. Every plan goes 100% wrong. If it ain't going 100% wrong, you ain't doing it right. Well, that was a quick video. Now we have the back end of the lift kit done, the Rocky Road Outfitter. So now we got on the bump stops, and I'm gonna cut these down and stuff like that, but I have to wait and see. Wait till the body gets on and get all the weight on it and see what our lift does for the travel and everything. But for now, we got these on and we'll let them go. Got the pump stocks back on from, I think, the Jeepster man on that. And got the Rocky Road little spacer on there to give it the proper articulation and get it to stop where it's supposed to be, I guess. So have to wait and see. It's gonna be a little bit longer till we get the bodies coming in at the end of the year. So that's it for now. We'll see you guys on the next one.